All right. What I did here was we had rotten wood. This wood right here was rotten real bad rotten wood right here. The whole bottom, the whole base plate was rotten real bad. So replaced the whole base, everything on the bottom got replaced. Um, put all the fasteners, the straps, tap condom, nailed them. Even added some L brackets and everything. You know what I'm saying? You know, put the screens back in. Everything is painted lovely. We put the screens back in. Paint looked beautiful, lovely. Put the screens back in, and it's a wrap. Done deal. And we out of here. Yee.